In a small town lived a boy named Ali. He was poor but always honest. Every day after school, he worked at Mr. Karim's shop to support his family. One day, a customer named Rashid came to the shop and dropped his wallet by mistake. Ali noticed it and quickly picked it up. Inside the wallet was a large amount of money. Ali's heart raced. He thought, if I keep this, I could buy food, clothes, maybe even a bicycle. But then he shook his head. It's not mine. I must return it. Ali ran out and caught Rashid just as he was getting into his car. Sir, you dropped your wallet, he said, handing it over. Mr. Karim heard about what happened. He was so proud of Ali that he gave him a reward and increased his salary. Rashid also helped pay for Ali's school fees. Ali's honesty changed his life and reminded everyone in town what true character looks like.